Today's tutorial, how to convert XML to PDF in .NET using XSLT. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to convert an XML document into a professional PDF using XSLT and IronPDF in C#. So before we open Visual Studio, here's the project setup: an invoice.xml file containing structured invoice data, an XSLT style sheet for layout, and a C# application to generate the final PDF. This is a really common real-world approach using e-invoicing ERP systems, finance, and government platforms where data is stored in XML and rendered into formatted documents. The XSLT defines how the XML data should look, while IronPDF takes the final transformed HTML and then converts it into a clean, printable PDF. So, jump into Visual Studio. All right, so in Visual Studio, we load the XSLT style sheet and apply it to the XML data using a transformation process. The transformed output is HTML, which is then passed to IronPDF to generate the final PDF document. Next, we introduce runtime parameters using XSLT argument list to dynamically change values like currency without modifying the original XML. The same XML and XSLT are reused, but the output changes based on the parameter passed from C#. We run the transformation again and generate a second PDF with the updated runtime value, showing how flexible template-driven generation can be. Now we run the application and generate both PDFs in a single execution. So once complete, let's compare both outputs side by side, and one using the default XSLT values and the other using runtime parameters. Both PDFs maintain identical formatting, layout, and structure, and only the dynamic values change between them. And this demonstrates a powerful real-world workflow where a single XML source can generate multiple document variations without changing the underlying data. And that's it. You learn how to transform XML with XSLT and generate dynamic production-ready PDFs using IronPDF and C#. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more useful tutorials from us. And if you want to get started with IronPDF, go ahead and sign up to the site, download, install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. Link below in the description. Check it out.